What's up, y'all? It's Jullien from the Multifamily Movement, aka your property brother, aka Mr. Multifamily. And I'm actually at Lowe's right now. And the reason I want to shoot this video is because a lot of people are like, how do I actually identify great contractors, or how do I find them? Well, the reality is that there's 3 ways to find great contractors, or 4 ways. 1, Yelp. You can try Yelp and look at the reviews, okay? But sometimes people pay for those reviews, so you actually don't know the quality of their work. Then you can look for trucks that are driving by, either just plain white trucks that look beat up. Those are usually contractor trucks, or people who have put graphics in their phone number on their vehicles. And then from there, you come to stores like this, because guess what? There are contractors who are roaming these aisles buying parts and pieces for whatever it is that they need to fix for a particular home, or they are contractors outside. As soon as you pull in, usually our Latino brothers who are just down to do the work. All right, so if you want help with this, go to multifamilymasterplan.com and I'll show you how to make this happen. Peace.